Question number 43 on the writing and language portion of College Board's Test 5. The Help Me Investigate project, for example, solicited readers. So let's read for context. This is a logical transitions question, so we need to understand where we're coming from and where we're going through this transition. Enterprising freelance reporters newly funded by nonprofits make extensive use of social media, including blogs and Twitter, to foster a public conversation about the key issues. The Help Me Investigate project, for example, solicited readers to submit tips and information related to ongoing stories to its website. So isn't this a particular example of how freelance reporters make extensive use of social media to foster conversation about key issues? An example of this broad case of what's happening is the Help Me Investigate project, which solicits readers to submit tips and information, essentially providing exactly an example, a concrete example of what we just talked about before. So I like, for example, actually a lot. The Help Me Investigate project, therefore. Okay, therefore, this is like mathematical. You say like, you know, you have a bunch of stuff before and you say, therefore, because of all the stuff that I just said, here's the conclusion. Is it reasonable to conclude, because we talk about in broad, brushstrokes, the enterprising freelance reporters make extensive use of social media, so because of this, therefore, the Help Me Investigate project solicited readers? They're not related causally. They're not like a cause and effect relationship. I think this is just an example to highlight a particular case when people use technology and social media in order to get something done in the field of investigative reporting. So I'm not a fan of therefore. However is a reversal. And this is not a reversal in logic. If anything, it's furthering the idea that people are now using social media in order to accomplish an end goal. So this is not, however, using social media has its drawbacks and it causes a lot of problems with investigative reporting. They don't talk about the other side, the however, the reversal. So I'm not a fan of that either. What about in any case? The Help Me Investigate project in any case is saying like, that's also like saying like, don't worry about what we just said. This thing in any case is a particular use of this. Kind of also discrediting what was said before, when in this case it's not. We're providing a narrowed down example of a particular case when people use social media and computers in order to do investigative reporting, which is a small, a subset of this large enterprising freelance reporters using social media. The one that makes the most sense here, the one that just provides an example for 43 is going to be A.